Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making tofu and tomato spaghetti. It's a hearty, healthy twist on spaghetti with tofu and rich tomato sauce. Drain and pot dry the tofu. Mince the garlic. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and tofu, crumbling it as you cook. Stir in the mixed vegetables and cook for a few minutes until tender. Add vegetable bouillon, canned tomatoes, and salt. Simmer for 7 minutes to combine flavors. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. And drain well. Plate the spaghetti, top with tough tomato sauce, and sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. I hope you enjoy this tofu and tomato spaghetti. At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Yes, it's a popular way to enjoy its fresh, delicate flavor. One of the most classic raw tofu dishes is hiyayakko, a simple and refreshing dish topped with right seasonings like fresh herbs and soy sauce to enhance its subtle taste. Here are a few delicious variations. Simple hiyayakko, topped with chopped scallions and grated ginger, then drizzle with soy sauce. Avocado hiyayakko. Add mashed avocado and seasoned kombu, then drizzle with soy sauce. With these simple toppings, raw tofu becomes a flavorful, refreshing side dish for any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.